So we seem to be stuck in the thick of this storm. We're also not hauling for crab.
Oh, man.
So this is a pretty lose-lose scenario. Maybe the biomass is just real small out here. Who knows? That's why they don't pay me the big bucks. I stand out on deck and freeze my ass off.
My little honey hole in the canyon was a complete dud. Let's get this gear on and get the hell out of here. Move to an area where hopefully we can get working.
No crab or sign of life in his pots. The captain is back on the hunt.
Oh, back door now, back door!
Under constant threat from Elsa's building seas.
One more right behind it. I think the tide's turning a little bit, so it's gonna probably get worse, if that's possible. Just be prepared. You hear me start yelling, man. Start running and hanging on. There we go. Okay, guys, this one's coming for real, I think.
Watch out. Hang on, hang on.
Oh. Everybody good?
Yeah, you gotta hold on, dude. Wild West out here.
That was one hell of a big wave that came in and blindsided us. Whoa.
While the five-man crew hauls a pot,
Heads out!
a 40-foot, 16,000-gallon wall of water smashes the Wizard head-on.
That would have cleared the deck and everybody on it if it hit us on the starboard side. Yeah, that was a bruiser, man.
It's really never safe to ever be out here hauling crab pots, especially with the weather like this. It does make it kind of fun though. You gotta be on your toes.
All right. You got 38 pots left to put on here. Just gotta get this gear on the boat. That's all we gotta do right now. Just get the gear on, get the hell out of here. And I think our only option is go east. Get out to the east and find some crab in the shallows.